Hello students, welcome to maths practice. Today we are going to do exercise 3.6, question number 1, Roman number 7. So here we have the question 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal minus 2. So this is the question. Let's begin with the solution. So see, here I have written, so this is the given two equation. Let us assume this as equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So now we have to assume, we have to reduce it. So we will start by taking let. So let, again you see in this way, in the numerator here we have 10 and here we have 15. Both are not equal, we have to take 1 upon, here we have x plus y in the denominator and in this denominator also we have x plus y. Both are same. We can take x plus y equal, that is we will take it as a. And again looking towards the second one, here we have 2 and here we have 5. In both the numerator are not same, we will take 1 upon, here in the denominator we have x minus y and in this denominator we have x minus y. Both are same, another variable, that is b. So these two we will put in equation 1 and equation 2. After putting, we will get new equations. Okay, let us put now. So we have to write here, therefore equation 1 and equation 2 becomes, what it will become now? See, let us see. This a, we will take a only, but this 10 we have, we left this 10, so it will be 10a plus 2b equal 4. That is our new equation. Let us take it equation number 3. Now equation 1 is not required. Again we will do same for equation number 2. Again we have here 15. It will be 15a minus 5b is equal minus 2. This is our equation, that is equation 4. So now again now equation 2 is not required. Okay. Now we will work with these two equation 3 and 4. So let us check first. Can we do through elimination method? So see here, we have here 10 and here 15. 10 is, that means 15 is not divisible by 10 and 10 is also not divisible by 15. So let us go towards the next one. Here we have 2 and here we have 5. In the table of 2, that means 2 is not divisible by 5. 5 is also not divisible by 2. So what we will do here? We will do by using substitution method only. So right here, by substitution method. So in substitution method, we will start from the first equation, that is equation number 3. We will write here from equation 3. So this is our equation 3. We will write here 10a plus 2b equal 4. Now here we have to separate out this variable a. That means this implies that 10a will be equal to 4. This 2b is plus, then it comes here, it becomes minus 2b. Again a is equal 4 minus 2b. 10 is multiplying, it will divide here. So this is our again another equation, that is equation up to 4 we have taken. This is our equation number 5. So now next step is substituting the value of a in equation. Which equation we will use? Here we have used equation 3. Now we have to write here equation 4. So this is our equation 4. We will write here 15a minus 5b is equal minus 2. So this implies that 15 remains 15. In place of a, we have to put this value, this 4 minus 2b by 10. 4 minus 2b by 10, again minus 5b is equal minus 2. Let us proceed towards the next step now. So what we will do here? This implies that this and this we can cut, we can reduce this term by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So what we got here? 3. Again we cannot reduce, so we have to multiply this 3 with 4. Also we will multiply this 3 with 2. 3 4 ja, it will be 12 minus 3 2 ja 6b whole downside we have 2 minus 5b is equal minus 2. Again This implies that now we have to take LCM. So we have in the denominator 2, so LCM will be 2. 12 minus 6b remains same, minus here nothing, we have 1. It is 1 2 ja 2. So this 5 will also multiply by 2. 5 2 ja, it will be 10b equal minus 2. Now again we can do two things here. One, we will send this to this side. It is dividing, it will multiply here. And again another term, that is this b and this b, we can solve this too because they are like terms. So 12 will remain 12, minus minus it will be plus, 10 plus 6 it will be 16b. 10 is bigger than 6, so it will be minus sign. So 12 minus 16b is equal to 2 ja 4 and minus here. Now we will send this 12 on the right hand side. So here only 16 minus 16b is equal minus 4. This 12 here it is plus. Then if we send this side, then it will be minus 12. So this implies that 16b is equal minus minus plus 12 plus 4, it is 16. 12 is bigger, so minus sign. 6 minus minus we can cancel. B will be equal to this 16. This 16 is multiplying here, it will come and divide. So 16 1 is 16, 16 1 is 16. B equal 1 we got here. This is the value of B. Now we have to find the another variable, that is A. So how we will find? We will write the next step, that is putting the value of B. So we will write here now. So let us write here, putting the value of B in equation. Which equation we will use? Let us see which equation we have used in the last equation 4 we have used. Now we have to use equation 5 now. We have written here equation 5. So this is our equation 5. This equation we will write here now. A is equal 4 minus 2b by 10. So let us do now. Okay, you can see here B we got here 1. This B1 will put in this equation now. So A equal 4 minus 2. In place of B we have to put 1 by 10. This equals to minus 4 minus 2 1 2 by 10. 4 minus 2 it will be 2 by 10. 2 1 2, 2 5 10 equal 1 by 5. So you can see here that a value of A we got 1 by 5 and B before we got B is 1. Okay. So here our substitution method is completed. We got the value of A and B. Now we have to find the value of, that means X and Y, which is given in the question. So now we will do by using, that means now we will write here now part. Now see, this will be our next part. Now let us see what we have taken in the let part. Let we have used 1 by x plus y equal A and 1 by x minus y equal B. So let us write here 1 by x plus y equal A. Again here, and 1 by x minus y equal B we have taken. So what we have to do here, this implies that again this 1 plus x y will remain same equal A. We got the value of A here, how much it is? 1 by 5. Let us cross multiply this now. X1 ja x plus y1 ja y equal 5 into 1, it is 5. So here we have two variable. So we have to again do the same process of substitution method, that is this we will separate out this x. X will be equal to 5. Before y we have plus sign. If we send to the right hand side, it will become minus y. So this, let us give another equation. Let us take equation number 6. So now we will proceed this part now. Again it will be 1 by x minus y equal B. B we got 1. Again cross multiply it. X1 ja x. Again minus y1 ja y equal, here we do not have anything. That means we can write 1. 1 1 ja 1. So this implies that in place of x now, what we can write? 5 minus y. Okay. So this x equal 5 minus y we will substitute here. In place of x I am writing here 5 minus y. Again this minus y equal 1. This implies that this 5 will go on the right hand side. Here we have plus 5, so it becomes minus 5, and minus minus it will become plus. So y plus y it will become 2y. We have to take one minus sign. So if we solve it further, what we will get here? Let us see, minus 2y equal 1 minus 5, we will get here minus 4. So again minus minus got cancelled. Y equal 4 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So here we got the value of y. It is y equal to. See, we got the value of y. One variable we got. Now we have to find the value of x. Okay. So we have to write one statement here. What we'll write here? Putting the value of y. Putting the value of y in equation. This was our last equation, equation 6. If we put here, then we will get the value of x. So in equation 6. So let us write this equation 6 here. X equal 5 minus y equal 5 remains 5 minus y we got here 2. So 5 minus 2 it is 3. So see here we got the value of x is also as 3. Y is 2, x is 3. So this is our solution. Hope you guys have understood this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you, students.